Shalom uvracha, my dear friends. This is an urgent call. We need your immediate help to assist a family in crisis in Jerusalem, devoted parents and 3 children, including one with special needs, facing a very challenging period of time, currently not having much hope in their complex condition. The parents, who are working in 2 jobs, the father is working as a teacher and the mother, she's a cook in school, babysitting and doing whatever they can to bring food to their table, are struggling badly and not able to provide their own needs for their own children. Pictures I took can show you a little bit of what it goes on in their house. They lack of funds for urgent renovations, leaving them in a situation that is unsafe for themselves and their children. Your immediate support is critical now to create safe, clean, and stable living environment for their special need child and the rest of the family. Together, we can create a profound difference in their lives. We did great things together in the past, and we must do it again. This is the month of Adar, few days left before Purim, one of the greatest times for charity and giving. Kol haposhet yad notnim lo. Whenever a person spread his arm and asking for charity, we should give him, especially in these days before Purim. Please donate generously and share this message with your network and friends to bring a change and create a difference. Please show your compassion, show the goodness that is treasured in your heart. Thank you.